Every day starts with energy. But now it's smarter. The VINLEC Smart Meter project puts power in your hands, delivering faster data collection, consistent billing periods, and better service you can count on. Step by step, we're upgrading homes across the country. Connecting smarter energy to families, communities, and places you call home. The VINLEC Smart Meter Project, smarter metering for smarter living.
Smarter metering for smarter living. Smarter metering for smarter living.